What is up, everybody? Charlene FX, your female trader, back with another video. So the last live trade video that I dropped seemed to get a lot of positive feedback. It seems like you guys really like the information I put in there, so decided to do another one to finish off the week. Been having a very good week so far. So I'd like to show you guys the setups that I'm looking for today. So basically on gold, we were ranging inside this box for a little bit of time here, and we have finally made our way out of this box based off this daily push that we're seeing here. So I am anticipating sales today. Today is Friday. We do have some news coming out here at around 9:45. So we'll see if we get some kind of reaction out of that. All right. So very quickly, let's just hop on over to the lower time frames. Don't really even need to really analyze anything else because it's pretty self-explanatory here. So basically, we see that price has broken out of this long range. I am anticipating some heavy sells today, but we have to wait and see for confirmations. So basically, for this point in time, I am waiting for a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a retest of this level that was just broken for price to have its sell continuations on down. So that's pretty much just what I'm waiting for now. This move happened early this morning. London session was a little bit choppy, but we eventually started moving down, and right now we are rejecting this 1642 price level. So what I'd like to see is for price to kind of push up a little bit. We might get that retracement for news, may not, we don't know, we have to wait and see. But what I'm looking for is some sort of retracement to be formed for price to continue on down. All right, so that's what I'm looking for on gold. As for AU, AU is kind of the same situation. We were sitting above this level here. We broke below this level. We created lower highs, and now we're sitting at a low. And what I'd like to see is a price to retrace at some point here for us to create, another high to give us a better selling opportunity and a better risk reward. So that's basically what I'm looking for today. Hopefully the analysis play out good, and I'm able to drop these signals with my signal group, and I'm able to execute on these trades, so you guys can get a really good idea of what to look for when you're trading. All right, guys, so I'm going to just sit here and wait for these things to play out, and we'll see what the market gives us. Okay, so right now gold has pulled back. We are finally getting the pullback that we were looking for. I'm going to be waiting to let this 5-minute candle close out and see where she's done pulling back, and then we'll wait for our next confirmation to go ahead and execute on some sells. Hopefully that move comes before news drops here shortly in the next 30 minutes or so. But if it doesn't, we'll just be patient and just wait. Also with AU is also pulling back very nicely here, waiting to see if we can get a little bit of a deeper pullback before we start to make our way on down. So waiting for more confirmations on AU as well. Okay, so I got the pullback I was looking for here. The only problem is there's news dropping in 15 minutes. I don't know if this news is going to be volatile or not. I'm just hoping that I can still look for some opportunities here for a trade. Maybe we can get a little push and another little push up, or start creating resistance levels here for price to respect, and then start continuing on down. So that's what I'm waiting for on gold. AU also is pulling back, hoping it pulls back a little bit more up to this area, this PRZ level here. If we can get that in this area, and then we start rejecting, exhausting in this area, then I can look for sells. Hopefully we don't start pushing down over here, and I have to look for entries in this area here, which is not as clean. So we're just being patient today, waiting for these next 15 minutes to go by, seeing what the news has for us, and looking for entry opportunities at that point. Okay, so this news event was bullshit. Nothing really happened. What I wanted to see on gold happened. I didn't enter because of the news that I thought was going to be volatile. Whenever you see a red folder, you know that you gotta be careful with that, right? So nothing really happened. Anyway, I would have gotten better entries on AU. Just took entries on AU. Would have gotten better entries, but it this happened at around 9:30ish, right before, so I wasn't able to grab that, so I had to jump in around this area here, which is technically a bad entry because, you know, you're entering technically, you know, at a low. The high is way up here and you're jumping in down here, but you know, had to grab what I could at this point in time. So I'm in sells on AU currently. Gold, I'm pretty much gonna have to wait for gold to either break this low to take sell continuations, or look for, you know, a little bit of a retracement up in this area here and maybe grab some sells to continue on down. This news thing really threw off my game today because of this whole waiting thing, but it's okay. It's Friday. We had a good day in the markets, or a good week I should say, for the most part, so no big deal. So yeah, we're in sells on AU. I'm gonna see if this can continue to play out and give us a pretty decent win for the week. So I'm in sells on AU. Most likely will not be looking for anything on gold today. It is Friday. Don't want to push the luck there. AU, these entries were pretty bad entries for the most part, but hopefully we can continue on and get a little push, and you know, price can give us a couple pips here. We are about only 25 pips, so we'll see if we can get some good profit out of the market today and be done for the day. Alright everybody, yeah, so we're still in sells here on AU. It took a while to start coming down here. I might close out soon because it is Friday. It is coming close to the end of my trading time. I'm usually done trading by 10:30, 10:45ish. I could leave this open to let it run, but you know, I'm up in, you know, pretty good profit here. So, you know, today's a good day. Gold really isn't doing much of anything. So yeah, that's the breakdown for today, guys. I'll show you guys really quickly when I close out on this trade. But I'm gonna leave it open for like the next 5 minutes or so to see, you know, if we can get another little push. But other than that, very good trade today, very good signal. I hope you guys were able to learn a little bit from my analysis. Terrible entry, guys. Don't take notes off this entry that I took. It wasn't a good entry. You always want to enter more at a high than you do at a low. Always. All right, so I'll be back to show you guys right before I close out on this trade, and then we'll call it a day and a week for Friday. Okay guys, it is a little bit about to be past my trading time. AU is moving down nicely over here. We are approaching about 8K here in profit, so I'm just gonna close out here, guys, and be done for the day. This was a good trading day for the most part. Yeah, I'm a scalper, guys. It is what it is. Closed out on my setup here. Pretty good trading day, guys. Good trading day. Hope you guys learned a lot out of this video. Join my signals if you if you want to learn something and make some money while you learn as well. All right guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.